President of the Jamaica Football Federation, Michael Ricketts, has confirmed that they are close to securing a passport for Everton winger Demarai to represent the Reggae Boyz. The 25-year-old Gray qualifies to play for Jamaica through his parents. The process for Gray began last month, and Ricketts is hopeful his passport will be ready in time for the next set of World Cup qualifiers later this month.
We had actually started the process. We could very well be almost there now. He was very much under the radar, and his papers are being processed. Just like Andre Gray, he had some issues with some logistics that he really had to get sorted out. So we're still working on Demarai. A little bit of issue, but we've been working on Demarai.
Gray has scored 5 goals in 15 appearances since joining Everton last year. Gray was also a member of the Leicester City team that won the English Premier League in the 2015 season.